Hello everyone, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Well guys, this is our 9th video of Toni Mahfud inspired series in Photoshop. I hope you all are enjoying this series. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. So before any further ado, let's get back into the magical world of Photoshop. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. So guys, the very first thing you need to do is just capture some kind of cool and creative photos, just like you are standing in in this pose, and make sure to get the perfect outfit just like Toni Mahfud, right? And just click some cool kind of pose at your home or at your terrace, just like this way. Now we'll select the photo with the help of quick selection and just press Ctrl J or lever copy to make a selection. Right now here we will just duplicate the image, right? As you can see, we will made a duplication of this original layer. Now we're gonna just crop it for our Instagram. So just select the crop tool and select 8:10 ratio, and we're gonna just increase the whole canvas size so that we can just play with around and we can just create a bigger size canvas or a bigger size photo for our Instagram ratio, that is 8:10, right guys? So the next thing we are gonna do is just go to the file and just hit open, and we're gonna just add the background to the photograph. So first of all, we will just select this much and we're gonna edit, and we're gonna just stretch it around by pressing the shift key. And so just stretch around because we want to increase the canvas size of the photo, right? So we are doing this process because we haven't got that bigger canvas or bigger photo, in particular this pose. So now let's go to the open and just browse the background. This is the background which you will get, so you can just download it for free in HD resolution. Click here is the download button guys, so you need to make sure. Now let's go to the filter, select the box blur and make the blur to around 10%, would be pretty perfect I guess, and just hit OK. Now just flip it in a horizontal way, because as you can see the sunlight is actually coming from the right side of the model. So it is very much important to maintain the originalism of the photograph, right? So you have to make sure to create that perfect light effect of the photograph. That it is our key point of the editing, right? So now just hit OK, and we have almost done. Now as you can see here, I get a little bit of messy, or hairs are not looking natural. So we're gonna just create a new layer, create a clipping mask on it, select the brush tool and pick the nearest color of the hairs by pressing the Alt key and just paint it with that color. As you can see, I am painting the color with the nearest color, which is really making it look more and more adorable and more realistic. That is actually very perfect point, that we have to maintain the originalism up to the end. Let's just keep it as a normal I guess, right guys? So I'm just making this blending mode of this whole layer just as normal. You can just try any of this and you will see whatever the more it is suiting to your photo, you can just keep it. But I guess this one is looking perfect. Now I'm gonna use the pen tool and just delete some of the area to make it look more sharp and perfect. So I'm gonna just remove that harsh or soft edges from the face with the help of pen tool, right? So just press the Alt key on some of the points to create a new points while doing the selection process in pen tool. I'll just press the Alt key and I'm just press like this way, and just press one more time. So as you can do this all things, you can do it. This is a selection process. This was actually guys remaining for me, so I am doing this. So as you can see, now we're gonna create a new layer, and here we are going to select the brush tool and just paint the nearest edges of the model, so that it would be more easier for us to paint it and it may look more realistic. So it is very important thing guys to paint the edges of the model just like this. So this is how we have to paint the edges of the model. Now we're gonna just merge both the layers Now the next thing here we're gonna go is just go to the background, and here we will just stretch a bit to around the whole image, right? Now here also we do the same process. Now here add a layer mask on this background layer, select the soft round brush, and we're gonna just erase it with the help of brush tool, that is a soft round brush. Just make it in a harsh and a soft way so that it may look more realistic, that is so that it may fade with the background, right? This is our actually the real editing actually works, or actually start is create a realistic effect of this background. In order to get that effect, you need to do some kind of this thing which I am doing, that is making a gradient eraser. Now select the brush tool and select the black color, and just paint it whole area with the black color, because as you can see my background is actually very moody black and my photo is actually white on the bottom area or on the floor. So I'm gonna just reduce the opacity, change the blending mode to multiply. Now just merge all the layers. Before merging, we're gonna just press the levels and just move the slider from left to right until you get that perfect that what we say the channel, or what we say that the graph of the histogram, right? So do the same process on both the image as well as on this background image. Just increase a bit of highlights and just increase a bit of shadows, just like this way of the background, so that it may look more realistic and may merge it with the background. So this is our key point. Now the next thing we are going to do is just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge it. Now select the crop tool, and once again we will crop the photo and just hit enter. Now here the real color grading process actually starts. So just go to the filter, select the camera filter, and guys you can directly apply the preset also, which I have given you all lots of presets I given, but here we will just apply the Toni Mahfud inspired preset, right? So that is our teal and orange you don't apply, guys. This is our Toni Mahfud inspired, where was it? You can also apply the VM inspired, that is Vijay Meher inspired, or I'll just keep the Toni Mahfud inspired 2020 preset. And I'm just gonna reduce the opacity of the image, or the saturation. So just go to the shadows and increase a bit of saturation to around 17% and just hit OK. As you can see, this one is literally looking so perfect, just like Toni Mahfud. Now let's create a new layer. Select the brush tool and make sure to select the creamy color and give one stroke of that, and change the blending mode to screen. And I'm gonna just place this somewhere or here to get that more realistic effect of the sunlight. Right now just merge layers, and here we are done, guys. As you can see, we have done a perfect editing just like Toni Mahfud. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, so that it will motivate me to make more and cool videos of this kind of for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can just download all the preset in the form of mobile Lightroom, camera preset, mobile DNG, and many more lots, and just for free everything. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, don't forget to be creative and be awesome. And just you can see the difference, guys, totally looking perfect.